Are you a student looking to deepen your understanding of English or business studies? Or a teacher looking for smart lesson support and time-saving classroom tools? Welcome to the Secondary Scholar, high-quality resources made for clarity, confidence, and the classroom. You'll find writing guides that break down how to build strong, exam-ready paragraphs and essays. The Context in a Click series explains the background of each AQA power and conflict poem, cutting through the clutter so you can focus on analysis. We also cover key business studies concepts and definitions, explained clearly and simply. And for teachers and exam staff, there's a growing set of visual timers to sharpen focus during timed tasks and streamline exam days. Whether you're teaching or studying GCSEs, IGCSEs, or A-levels in the UK or beyond, these resources are designed to support your understanding and save you time. What makes the Secondary Scholar different? It's clear, focused, and built to save you time, with resources that cut the waffle and get straight to what matters. If this sounds like the kind of support you'll use again, subscribe and have it ready when you need it.